Welcome to a new dawn of learning, pairing up Pioneer School District, your student, and Microsoft Teams. All teachers will be using Teams to share assignments, communicate updates and ideas, and make files and links available to students and families. For schoolwork, Teams is similar to a multi-tool, one that will get used more often as a child progresses through school. Let's begin with signing on a laptop. Assuming you have successfully signed in on the computer with your child's email address and 6-number student ID, you can then open a web browser and navigate to office.com. There you can sign into Office with the same ID and password you used to sign in on the computer. If you have trouble, contact ITS at 716-492-9330. Click Save My Info to reduce the number of times you have to do this last step. Once inside Office 365, you'll notice several different options. Outlook software is for checking email. Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are all for creating new documents or editing existing ones. Teams is the program you'll choose to view and submit a student's assignments, examine related files, and exchange messages with the teacher. When Teams is open, you'll see a vertical bar on the left. Some of the options here include Activity, which gives an overview starting with the most recent things. The Chat feature allows a quick exchange of messages between you and the teacher. The Teams button will present a screen with icons representing a student's subjects and extracurricular activities. Similarly, clicking on Assignments will show a list of subjects for which a student receives grades. The Calendar button will display upcoming due dates and other deadlines. Calls contains a list of contacts and can facilitate both voice and video calls. And Files gives you access to OneDrive, cloud storage of an individual student's files. You may also upload a Word document, PowerPoint, or image here. Click on the Teams button in the left-hand column to be taken to an area called Posts. This will look similar to a social media feed, and users can post things here, but let's make sure it's appropriate and related to school. Also remember, you can email your child's teacher using Outlook directly with messages specific to your student and his or her assignments. Let's say, for example, that you received a message that your child's teacher posted a video for you to watch with your child in order to complete an assignment. Look in the Files section. You may see a folder created by that teacher with all the videos and files for that particular class or subject. You may also see where a teacher has created a folder or file for all the students in that grade. Each teacher will have their own way of sharing files, but you'll get used to it and all the different instructional styles. Be sure to watch our video tutorial about submitting assignments with Teams and also our introduction to OneDrive cloud file storage.